This is the 8th generation Toyota Camry. Since its introduction nearly 40 years ago, Camry has been a key player in the global auto market. It's also been America's best-selling car since 2003. Like many modern Toyotas, Camry's lineup is divided along two paths: the L grades and the sporty S grades. Additionally, 5 of these grades can be equipped with Toyota's available dynamic torque control all-wheel drive, while 3 are also offered in hybrid form. With looks like these, it's clear that excitement is the name of the game, but so is individuality. To this end, Camry's front fascia varies from trim to trim, as do the headlights, wheels, and even exhaust outlets. For example, Camry SE models are equipped with 18-inch wheels and a dual-tipped single exhaust, while XSE models feature 19-inch wheels and quad-tipped dual exhaust. SE and XSE models also get a rear spoiler, and in the case of the XSE models, an available two-tone paint scheme. Meanwhile, SE Nightshade models' black wheels and accents crank up the mystique, while TRD pushes Camry's aggressive look to the limit with its 19-inch matte black wheels, gloss black aero kit, and rear pedestal wing, as well as its red brake calipers, pinstriping, and TRD badge. Camry's cabin not only offers a striking design, but also a good deal of comfort and convenience offerings, like highly adjustable front seats on all grades, Softex-trimmed sport seating on SE grades, and leather-trimmed seating on XLE and XSE grades. And like its exterior, Camry TRD's interior is far from subtle, featuring red contrast stitching and accents, a unique MID startup animation, and TRD accessories and logos throughout. Of course, Camry's interior also has all the modern amenities you've come to expect, as well as ample passenger and cargo capacities, especially when the available 60/40 split rear seat is folded down. Camry's audio multimedia systems are packed with connectivity and entertainment, including standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility, as well as a varying range of available connected services. These systems also include 3 USB ports on nearly all models, and they can even be paired with an available 9-speaker, 800-watt JBL audio system. A standard backup camera is integrated into the touchscreen display, but Camry can also be equipped with an available bird's-eye view camera system. In fact, select models also offer an available head-up display, as well as an available larger 7-inch multi-information display. Camry also offers available convenience technologies like HomeLink and Qi-compatible wireless mobile device charging. It should go without saying that Camry's emphasis on technology also extends to its safety features, and that goes beyond its array of 10 airbags. All 8th generation Camry models come standard with Toyota Safety Sense P, an advanced suite of active safety technologies like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and more. Camry also offers available safety features like blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert, as well as intelligent clearance sonar with rear cross-traffic braking on XLE and XSE models. Camry's Toyota new global architecture means it's built on a foundation that's stronger and more dynamic than ever before. Its engaging driving manners are further enhanced by its fully independent suspension, sport-tuned on SE and XSE models, and its most advanced powertrains to date. Its gasoline engines come paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission with available paddle shifters, as well as an available all-wheel drive system that can automatically direct up to 50% of engine torque to the rear wheels to help maintain traction in challenging conditions. Camry's performance story isn't all about power though, it also excels in efficiency. Case in point, the no-compromise hybrid models that offer incredible EPA fuel economy estimates of up to 53 miles per gallon highway and up to 686 miles of driving range, without sacrificing performance or style. And for Camry TRD, things get taken a step further. And that means more than just packing Camry's high-power V6 under the hood. It also ensures that this extra muscle makes it to the pavement thanks to the TRD track-tuned suspension, lightweight 19-inch wheels, and no-cost optional grippy summer tires. Round this off with thicker chassis bracing, larger front brakes, and a throaty catback dual exhaust. And it's clear that TRD is no run-of-the-mill Camry. Combine Camry's great features and impressive specs with a starting MSRP that's accessible to nearly any budget, as well as great ownership perks like the Toyota Care maintenance plan with roadside assistance, and it becomes obvious why this sedan is as successful as it is. Head over to toyota.com/Camry to learn more.